Welcome to the Greendata Ventures Cookbooks, a video series where we share recipes for success. This video will explain how to create and manage opportunities in Microsoft's project operations to help you develop and win project contracts right from the beginning of a sales engagement. In later videos, we will be talking about quotes and contracts. So today we are in Dynamics in the sales area under leads because we are going to start from a lead to create our opportunity. So I'm going to click on this lead that is from John Smith, and we have titled this one Fun Project because we are going to be creating a project-based opportunity. So today we will want to qualify our lead. First, if you would like to, before you just hit qualify and say this is good to go, you can go into this section under qualify. And if John Smith is already an existing contact, you can add him here. If this account, AdventureWorks, is already an existing account, you can do that here. I know for a fact this one is, so let's add AdventureWorks right here. Perfect. If you know the purchase timeline, you can add that here. Estimated budget, purchase process, and if you know who the decision maker is. So I'm going to say this is John Smith, so we know who that is. And if you want to add a summary right here, you can do so. Now that we've done this, we can hit qualify, and this will create an opportunity from this lead. So it's going to bring in that information into this opportunity and allow us to not have to enter as much information multiple times. As you can see, we have our contact as John Smith, which has just been created because we have qualified this lead and we did not associate an existing contact with it. We have the existing account of AdventureWorks, as well as many other default things such as our product price list, currency, contracting unit. At this time, if you are ready to enter a purchase time frame, budget amount, or anything else on here, you can do so. But what we want to do is create an opportunity line from this opportunity. So let's click into here. On this, you can see that we have project-based and product-based. And so because we're going to do a fun project, we're going to do a project-based line. Now let's click over here to add a new opportunity line. As you can see, an opportunity line has a few areas to add details. Name is important, so you know what you're talking about. I'm going to say project line 1, as well as a customer budget, if you know what that is. Let's say this is going to be $5,000. And you can choose the billing method. Now this is either going to be time and material or fixed price. So let's say that this one is time and material. Now we can save and close this new line. This will take us back to where we were just before. And as you can see, we now have this project line 1, time and material. Now if we wanted to add another, we can go here and do the same thing, except this time I'm obviously going to call it something else. So let's say project line 2. And let's say this is a budget of $20,000 with the same billing method. So these could be different elements of the fun project that we're going to be speaking to this potential customer about. Great, so now we have project line 1 and project line 2. And as you can see down here, we have this total amount as the sum of those. We can go back to the summary. And there are going to be new things visible on the summary that were not before. So as you can see, we have the stakeholder being John Smith, which is our contact. We have sales team that you can add members of the sales team, as well as competitors. You can also enter in more details about the current situation, the customer need, and the proposed solution. Now that we have this opportunity, we're going to save this whole thing. And when you're ready, you can create a quote. We will be showing you how to create a quote related to this opportunity in our next videos.